Hey everyone, hope you're doing well. Figure I'd do a little trade vlog here. Looking at did some updates to my Notion journal. Basically, I just found another template on YouTube and figured did kind of like it a bit more just because I don't know, it just seems a bit more it's easier to enter. That's number one. And it's definitely cleaner. I do like the table view of things. Just I just kind of like that, but it's pretty nice because it's not just a table. You can actually open and drill down into kind of what happened on that particular trade or setup, and you can enter a bunch of details. I really like this because it's instead of typing out a bunch of blah blah blah, you can just take a screenshot and write on the screenshot. So basically what I'm kind of sticking to is because I'm looking at basically the M30, M15, M5 charts and just looking at taking a look at my indicators and seeing how things went. Of course, if you double click on things, it expands it to the full size, which is pretty cool. But I do think this is a really good template. And if you just search on YouTube, you'll find it. It's not a big deal. As far as the trading's been going, it's been pretty rough, to be honest with you. I started the past phase one of my funded engineer 25K account. Started phase two, and I actually at the same time I started phase two, I opened up another 25K account. And really just kind of both accounts, they have a copy trade between them. So I have that phase two and another phase one, 25K, both 25K accounts with funded engineer. And it just hasn't been going well, but I've been in drawdown pretty much the whole time, and I still am. But I did start to come out of it, so we're way of hope. As far as this particular journal goes, this is for the funding trader firm, and which is another firm that I opened up a 25K account with. So I have three accounts going. I don't have a copy trade set up on this particular account, but I immediately went into drawdown with this one as well. But I actually got back to break even today, which is great. So um, looking positive on everything, which is, that's always good to have a good outlook and just kind of slowly bring myself out of drawdown. Um, Anyway, yeah, the template for this Notion app is really nice. There's multiple views that you can take, multiple ways that you can enter the trades, if you will. I like the default view, which is just the table. And I still do like to have this like journal look of things. It's not completely necessary, but I can break it out by day and basically do the same thing I can within the one table view journal, instead of having multiple tabs for or pages, I guess you would call them, for the journal. So this is just a neat way, organized way to keep the journal in more of a tabular form. So anyway, as this particular account progresses, I'll make more videos, and of course, this journal will get filled in more and more. So we'll come back with some more outcomes as things progress, and hopefully you're doing well, and hopefully you're training well. Anyway, take care, everyone. Have a good one.